All right, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. You already know what it is. It's your boy Crazy Slim 44, and today we're doing a different type of video. Today we're doing a installation on the 2014 Ninja Kawasaki Ninja, and we are going to be replacing the exhaust right here, the muffler. We do have the Ransoto exhaust right here from Amazon. We have it right here. Real quick, guys, the only thing that you have to take off to remove the original exhaust, you actually have to take off this bolt right here. You have to take off this little Allen bolt right here, and then after that there's one extra bolt that you have to take out right here, and this little clamp right here. So you need a wrench for this one, which if you have your tools, my assistants right here, your bag right here, this bag of tools right here that comes with the bike, this is what you need. So we're gonna be right back whenever we remove that. See you in a bit. All right, guys, so after you took off this bolt, the two bolts from the bottom, heat shield, you're exposed with your pipe right here. So we are gonna do a coach start, straight pipe basically. Here we go, guys. That is so freaking loud, dudes. Okay, we'll be back with the actual muffler. All right, guys, and we're back here with the final part. So we're gonna go ahead and we got our exhaust installed. We're gonna go ahead and put in this adapter that they gave us. It goes in with the stock bolts. Just go ahead and bolt it back on, put the adapter on there, screw it back in. Pretty snug if you ask me. I thought I was gonna have a hard time installing the springs right here, but they're pretty easy. Honestly, what I did is I just put it in there, and with the screwdriver I just held it with both hands and I just put it back, and as soon as I hit right here, I just took it off, snapped on, put on the last clamp on there. Now I do think I'm gonna have to get like another like smaller coupler right here, because I don't know if I'm gonna have like an exhaust leak right there, but I mean it's as tight as I can get. And here we go. So this is a cold start. Go ahead, Leo, turn it on. Come on. And now press that button right there. Press it. There we go. There you go. There we go. Go ahead and rev it a little bit. So we get some flames. It is definitely loud. I did take off the silencer baffler thing that's in here, so it's basically just like all the way in there, boop. So yeah, guys, so that's in. You can find this exhaust on Amazon. It's called the Ransoto exhaust. I do have this right here. I'm not gonna put it on. I think it looks badass like that. So that's it, guys. 2014 Kawasaki Ninja. It has 9,000 miles on there. It's a Ninja 300, and more videos coming up. I hope you enjoy.